All right, this is your reminder to do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel calmer, more centered, more like yourself, less anxious, and it just might change your life. Take a deep breath in and out. We always want the exhale longer than the inhale. Good. So right here, we're tapping on the hand and we are releasing any excess energy and emotion around disappointment, sadness, grief, heartbreak. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the top of the head. Good. This is where we're releasing excess overthinking, anxiety, looping thoughts, rumination. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the inside of the eyebrow. This is where we're releasing excess anger and frustration. Good. I'm starting to feel my jaw relax, the back of my neck and shoulders relaxing. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And the outside of the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This is where we're releasing frustration and anger. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. Good. And under the eye. Good. This is where we're releasing control, helping us to let go of what doesn't serve us. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. I'm going to go under the nose. This is where we're reconnecting the mind and the body. When we are feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or experience trauma, we tend to check out. So that's a real thing. Your energy tends to leave your body and your mind and body become disconnected. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And this helps you feel more centered and present. Good. Let's go under the lip. Good. This is where we're releasing anything that we have said that was not nice to ourselves or others, or regretting things we've said. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Go under the collarbone. Good. This is where we're going to be releasing excess energy around fear. Good. You should be feeling tingling at the bottom of your feet, yawning, tears streaming down your face. All these things happen because we're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system where we rest, digest, and heal. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You might feel your hips relaxing, your tailbone untucking. You might have stomach gurgling. Again, these are all signs that you are getting relaxed and less stressed, which is a good thing. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Right here, this calls back our energy to center. It also helps offer love, compassion, and forgiveness, which we so desperately need to heal. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We are so kind to others and forget to offer that same kindness to ourselves. Good. So we're tapping on the outside of the body. So on the left side, we are releasing excess energy around worry. And on the right, we are releasing anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. If any of these points are sore, it could just mean that you have stuck lymph that is collecting there, and oftentimes that's due to excess emotions. So as soon as we clear the emotions, the fascia around the area starts to relax, and then circulation can remove some of that lymph. So you should feel a lot better, and it shouldn't hurt after a while. Good. So we just did one round of tapping. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the top of the head. Good. feeling the energy draining behind my ears, both sides. I used my right hand to tap, and you can use whatever hand you want. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. And I also like to tap on both sides of the body because it's much more calming. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the outside of the eye. Good. I just felt a yawn coming on. My jaw's relaxing. Good. If you have a lot of tension in your jaw, tapping is going to really help. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Go under the nose. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And under the lip. Good. Feeling my chest relaxing and opening up. When we tap, we're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system where we feel safe. So this is when we can relax our shoulders, open up our chest, basically expose our organs. That's when we really feel safe. Sounds silly, but it's a biological thing that we do, is protect our organs, hunch over, cover our chest. So when we feel safe to open up, it's a really good sign. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Go to the center of the chest. Good. Hey, let me know which one's your favorite point, because I have two. This is one of them. So I often find myself tapping here, and I love to tap here. So let me know what your favorite point is. It helps to release certain energy and emotion, and maybe you're feeling called to those points for a reason. So take notice of which ones feel better or where you feel the most release. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So tapping is based on Chinese medicine, where they have the meridians, and each one of these points is connected to the meridian that has that emotion and that energy. And when we tap, we're just helping to release a little bit of that energy, a little bit of that emotion. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. You might feel more grounded right now, feeling like the chair underneath your butt. You're kind of like really feeling stuck to earth. That's a good thing. Take a deep breath in and out. Tapping helps to decrease our stress levels and helps our body to heal. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the outside of the eye. Good. Underneath the eye. Good. Feeling more of my jaw and my shoulders relaxing. Good. And under the eye. When we get into the parasympathetic nervous system, we can hear our intuition, we have a better immune system, we're better at problem solving, being in the present moment. Time goes really fast, like we're hitting the 9-minute mark right here. That's because we've been in the present moment with our body, with ourselves, with our emotions. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the center of the chest. Good. And outside of the body. And to finish the session, we will take our hands, put them over our heart, and hold it there for 20 seconds. This helps to release oxytocin, which helps you to lower your stress, but also help you feel bonded to yourself and others, and actually helps you with insulin resistance. All right, I love you. You're doing great. Keep tapping.